Good morning, student. This is your moral teaching period. Today we will learn chapter number 6, The Helpful Little Boy. The virtue of the lesson is helpfulness. So first of all, you have to write down the today's date. Today's date is 21.11.20 and the quotation is we are one. Student, in this story, there is a boy. So first of all, I am going to read the chapter, then I will explain you. Once there was a boy named Raju. He was a good boy. As he was new in the city, he had no friends to play with. His parents had bought him many toys, but he always wanted to play with the other children. Student, you can see in the picture, there is a boy. His name was Raju. He was alone because he was new in the city. That is why there is no friend to play with him. His parents bring for him so many toys, but he don't like to play toys. He want to a friend with play with him. So one day Raju was playing. Just wait. One day Raju was playing with his toy train. Soon he got bored and went to the window. While he was looking out of the window, he saw a boy and a girl playing with a dog. He also wanted to join them. Look at the picture. A boy and girl playing with a ball. There is a puppy also. So one day Raju was playing with his toy train, but after some time he become bored and he want to play something else. So he go to the window and when he peeped out from the window outside, he saw there is a boy who is playing with a dog. Raju also want to join them. Suddenly, the boy fell down. He started crying with pain. Raju quickly ran out to help the boy. A big nail had pierced the boy's foot. Raju took it out and got some medicine for the boy to apply on the wound. The boy got relief from the pain. He was happy now. He introduced himself as Jack and his sister as Jenny. When Raju peeped out from the window, he saw a boy. Suddenly a boy fell down and he was crying because he got hurt. So Raju quickly ran outside from the house. For what? To help the boy, because Raju was a helpful boy. So he ran out quickly. A big nail had pierced the boy's foot. You know what is nail? Nail means keel. Okay. So the nail pierced the boy's foot. He pierced the boy's foot on the leg. Okay. Raju took it out. He took out that nail and got some medicine. Give the first aid to the boy. He applied some Dettol, Savlon and then antiseptic tube on the wound of the boy. The boy got relief. If you got hurt and someone took the medicine on it, then you get the relief. So the boy also get the relief from the pain. Now he was happy. Then he introduced himself. He gave his introduction to Raju. Okay. His name was Jack. The boy who got hurt, his name was Jack and his sister as Jenny. Then Raju became very happy because Raju invited them Raju invited them play with his toy train. From then they played together every day. They become best friends. So after introduction, Raju invited them to play his toys. And then they played together and every day they play. So now they become a good friends, best friends. So student, you have to remember, when you help someone, both you and the person feel happy. Student, if you help someone, you feel happy, and you, from the person, you got your help, he also happy. So that is why you should always help to someone. We should help the people as much as possible. We should be keen to help those who need our help. The person who are needy, we should help to them. Helping others make you and others happy. If we help someone, they also happy and we also feel happy. God, that is why God also help them, those help themselves. Okay, so this is the moral of the story. The moral of the story